This is a quarter squat with an elastic loop around the knees. This is to engage the gluteus medius muscles. So what you'll do, your feet are about hip width apart. You're going to initially screw your feet into the floor towards your pinky toes. This is going to engage your glutes, and it'll help with stability. And then what you'll do is you'll hold your arms out in front for counterbalance. Then you'll squat down and back up. Back down and back up. From the side, it looks like this. And back up. So the knees don't really track over the toes. They do move forward, but you want to move your butt first. So whatever moves first, whatever joint moves first, that's what you're going to work most. So we'll hold your arms out. Your butt goes back first because we want to engage those glutes. And squeeze your buttocks at the top. Pull your stomach in.